Hello Techies. In this session, we will understand one of the most important topic before working extensively with Claude Code, that is Claude subscription and API access. Many beginners often ask two important questions. One is that, do I need a Claude subscription to use Claude? And second question is that, what is the difference between Claude subscription and API access? By the end of this session, you will clearly understand both concepts and know when to use each option. Alright, let's begin with Claude subscription. A Claude subscription is designed for users who want to interact directly with Claude through the web interface or desktop application. Think of it as a user license that allows us to access Claude AI as an end user. When you create an account on Claude, you can start using Claude through the browser. Depending on your plans, you may receive different usage limits and access to advanced features. Typically, subscription plans are intended for individual developers, students, content creators, researchers, business users, and AI enthusiasts. With a subscription, you can chat with Claude, upload documents, analyze PDFs, generate content, write code, and use Claude Code and access advanced AI models. In simple words, subscriptions are ideal when humans directly interact with Claude. Alright, now let us discuss about API access. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API access allows application and software systems to communicate directly with the Claude AI programmatically. Instead of a human typing prompts manually, applications send requests automatically. For an example, imagine you are developing an AI chatbot or a customer support solution or a coding assistant or a business automation platform or an enterprise AI application. In these scenarios, software needs to communicate with Claude automatically. This is where API access becomes important. Using API access, developer can send prompts from the applications. They can generate response automatically. API access integrate AI into websites, and they can build AI agents and create enterprise workflows. And also API can connect with AI with business systems. To use API, developers generate an API key from the Anthropic Cloud Console application. The API key acts like a secure password that allows applications to access Claude services. The typical workflow looks like application is going to request API, and then the API requests Claude model, and the Claude model generates the response and it will give back to the application. Everything happens automatically behind the scenes. Alright, now let us understand the difference between subscription and API access. Claude subscription used by the humans directly. For an example, Claude web interface, Claude desktop, Claude code login. These are all the things where we are going to use Claude subscription. Whereas API access is used by the software applications. For an example, AI chatbots, SaaS platforms, AI agents, enterprise applications, and custom integrations. Think of it this way. If you want personally use Claude, then you need Claude subscription. If you want to use your application to use Claude, in that case you are going to use API access. Many organizations use both. For an example, a software company may give access to the developers for the Claude subscription. And also the company use API access for production applications. In conclusion, Claude subscriptions provide direct access for the human users, while API access enables applications and enterprise systems to communicate with Claude programmatically. Understanding both options is essential for becoming an effective AI developer and building real-world AI solutions.